Today, we're diving into PM Desk's latest feature, the AI-powered custom and searchable knowledge base. With PM Desk, property managers can easily create their own collection of linkable articles, resources, and frequently asked questions, enriched with text, images, links, and YouTube videos. For example, you may have a series of articles about common maintenance questions. What do I do if there's a plumbing issue? How do I reset a circuit breaker? Maybe you'd like to have a section dedicated to FAQs for prospective tenants. Is there an application fee? Do I need to provide proof of income? The PM Desk knowledge base harnesses the power of AI to deliver an intelligent, responsive experience. Users can search for information, and our AI algorithm ensures the most relevant answers are presented based on your business content. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and utilizing the AI-powered knowledge base in PM Desk. On the Z-Inspector website, access the Articles FAQ section under Admin Settings, PM Desk Settings, Articles FAQs. Here, you'll encounter the Articles FAQ table, and each line in the table is its own article. The Articles FAQ dashboard has 5 columns from left to right. The Categories column indicates which category or categories the article belongs to. The PM Desk column represents whether the article is publicly available or not. If it is checked, then the article is publicly available on the Knowledgebase FAQs portal. The Description column is where you can add and edit the title of each article. In the Content column, you can click on Add to build a brand new article or on Edit to customize its content. On the URL column, click on the stacked papers icon to copy the URL of an article. You can also edit its log by tapping on the URL itself. More on this on the following sections. To create a new article, click on the Add button on the bottom left side of the table. On the pop-up, add the title of your new article on the description field. For example, "Can I have pets?" and click on Save. The new article will be displayed in a new row at the bottom of the table. On the Content column, click on Add to start building your article. Here is where you build out the article. Simply click on the editor and add text, bullet points, links, images, and even embed YouTube videos. When you're done, make sure to hit on Save to proceed. Now, let's customize the article's URL slot. By default, new articles will be assigned a number as an identifier on the URL. This is called a slug. Tap on the URL to edit it. For example, you could write pet policy to better describe what the article is about. Your new slug will now be displayed in the URL. You can always edit this again by clicking on it in the table. On a side note, you can click on the stacked icon to copy the whole URL with one click. You can then share it or paste it in your browser to view the article. On the first column of the table, you can see the category that the article is in. Click on Add to assign the article to a category. This will display a pop-up with the available categories on the left panel. Click on the green plus sign to select one. You can also change which category the article belongs to, and you can even apply multiple categories to a single article if needed. Our recommendation is that you apply a single category to an article when you're getting started, but you can certainly tweak it over time. We will explore how to create and manage categories later in the video. A checkmark on the PM Desk column represents whether an article is publicly available or not. If it is checked, then the article is publicly available on the Knowledgebase FAQs website. By controlling the visibility of articles, you can decide whether certain information is public or restricted to internal company access. This way, you can choose some articles to be publicly available for your tenants and have certain others only visible to your own company. Now, we're going to move over to the Categories tab. This is where you manage the different categories. Click on the Add button to create a new category. Type in the name of the category, for example, leasing process or pet policy, and hit on Save. The newly added category will show up at the bottom of the list. Manage categories by adding new ones or reordering existing ones, both internally and on the public website. Please note that if you just add a category, it will not show up on your PM Desk page right away. A category will only show up on the PM Desk page if it has at least one article added to that category and if said article is also publicly available. This knowledge-based FAQs feature is really easy to use and to get started. Once you've customized it, all you have to do is add the link to your website, for example, in a frequently asked questions button, and you're done. We show you in a separate video how to set up and customize the main PM Desk website as well. Have any questions or feedback? Don't hesitate to contact us at support@zinspector.com.